Welcome to Lane University. My name's Conrad Layn.
Welcome to Turo University. My name's Conrad Layn. I'm going to share what a shotgun strategy is for Turo. What the shotgun strategy is this. I'm going to simply go into it. So this is what it is, people. Say if you actually, it doesn't matter if you have good credit, bad credit, when you actually essentially are applying for car financing, car dealerships typically actually apply a shotgun approach. You just don't typically know about it. Think about it. Have you ever wondered when you look at your credit report, why do you see all these different inquiries on your credit report when you only ask for credit financing for one vehicle? It's because dealerships shop your information around with different financiers or banking institutions to get you the best rate, best APR, or try to significantly increase the likelihood of you being approved if you have bad credit, good credit, or no credit. So what shotgun strategy is when you take the same approach, but you do it for yourself. When a dealership does it and they shop your information around, even though they run your credit probably 100, 200, 300 different times, multiple times, it only counts as typically one inquiry, or it doesn't count at all. Per the Experian article below, Experian is one of the major credit bureaus, it specifically stipulates and states that within typically 10 to 45 days, and oftentimes Experian will only count all multiple inquiries within that transaction month as one inquiry or as zero. Pretty cool. So the way you want to use this strategy is, some people do this and this can really be beneficial. You just want to make sure you do it the right way. Quick tip: when you want to do shotgun financing, you basically go to one dealership, go to another dealership, you can apply online, go everywhere. You get 20 different inquiries and it only counts as one. And so you go to your banking institution, your credit union, multiple online dealerships, in-person dealerships, and you just go to and get multiple inquiries for multiple financing. And what you have to do at this point, once you are approved, you take all the loans that you're approved for. So even if you went through 100 different dealerships, online, in-person, banking institutions, doesn't matter, you apply and you accept each loan. What this does essentially at this point is, at that point, once you approve it, you're approved for it. Now it's going to show on your credit report that you're approved for 30 different car loans, or 20 different car loans, or 5 different car loans. And the purpose of this is for people that want to start their fleet fast and get into business with a multi-car fleet. This is for someone who wants to actually one day start maybe a 10-car fleet, 20-car fleet, 30-car fleet. If you're really motivated, 60-car fleet, 100-car fleet in one day. You just have to make sure you manage the payments, make sure you reverse engineer, go on Turo, and make sure that whatever cars you're adding to your Turo platform, make sure, in my personal opinion, there should be 3 brackets of success. The first bracket is, I try to earn my income within 10 days. So for example, say I have a loan payment of $300, right? I'll try to earn that $300 within 10 days. So within 10 days, I'll be able to earn $300, then I know I'm profitable. If you don't earn your upkeep or your finance amount within that 10-day time frame, the problem is that you'll get to the point where you'll actually be unprofitable and won't be able to pay your car payments. So what you essentially want to do, you want to make sure that when you actually get a car loan, make sure you can earn all your car payments within those 10 days. This keeps you super conservative, and what this does essentially, it insulates you from risk, so you can be risk averse, so that if, say, a claim occurs, or say you're in a point where you go through a situation where your car's destroyed, if it's stolen, if you're getting a car maintained, cleaned, if it's just off the market, whatever the case is, if it's destroyed, at least you made your amount for your car payment within 10 days. You'll have a really bad day if, for example, you're relying on using the whole 20 or 30 days of the month to make that amount, and your car gets destroyed, and now your car's totaled, or your car's basically getting maintained and it's taken off the platform, or if you just have a slow month, 10 days insulates you. So if you're able to reverse engineer, go on Turo and make sure that, hey, can this car, this Corvette, this Buick Verano, this Ferrari, whatever car you want to add, make sure you can make the upkeep within 10 days. That's my personal opinion. And that way, if you can make your whatever payments you owe on whatever car it is, doesn't matter what the amount is, within 10 days, then you're good. The way you do it, you just go to find similar cars. They don't have to be the exact same car. You look for similar cars in your market and say, hey, here's some other Corvettes, doesn't matter what the color is, and see if these cars are constantly being booked. You can tell this by what the daily rate is, and also tell this by all the reviews that have been booked within 1 to 2 years. The cool thing about reviews, make sure all the reviews are valid within 1 to 2 years, so you can see why people like the car. That way it gives you more conviction when you actually pull the trigger and get a car. Make sure you do this, because if you go into business trying to get take a shotgun approach and get 10 car fleet, 20 car fleet, 30 car fleet, you can destroy your credit. It's really dangerous to do. I don't recommend this unless you think you can handle it and you figure out that you can do at least within 10 days. If it has to be where, say you can't make it within 10 days, but you can make the payments in 20 days, fine, but tread very carefully. I would say max, you should be able to make all your car payments on each car within 15 days, like max. 10 days is what I go for. If it's more than that, that's fine, but I just want to say tread very carefully. I am a power host. I've been doing this for multiple years. I've been succeeding. No arrogance intent. You can do this. You can be better than me, but I just want to share that's what a shotgun approach is, simply by going to the bank institution, going to your car dealerships online or in person, and getting multiple loans and accepting all of them pretty much that you're approved for, and starting your fleet that one day. That way you don't have to wait for just one car. But with this comes more stress. Make sure you have a process, make sure you can make the payments, and that's about it. That's what a shotgun approach is. I left the article below per Experian that proves what I'm saying, where it only counts as one increase, so it won't destroy your credit. That's the cool thing about it, per the Experian article below. And again, I'm your friend on Turo. Just hopefully wish you the best. I am a power host. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, Conrad Layn. If you have any comments or questions about this shotgun strategy or any other comments or concerns, hit that comment below. I'm pretty good about answering them, and leave some questions. Carlin out.